Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I'm making moutabel, which is a Middle Eastern side dish or a dip. So if you want to know how to make this, please keep on watching. First you need one medium-sized aubergine or eggplant, and all we want to do is place it on a baking sheet, parchment paper or foil, whatever you want basically, and bake it for 30 minutes in a preheated oven until it's soft and looks a bit burned. And all we want to do is peel the skin off. And be careful because it's actually very hot, and I recommend to peel it off when it's very hot because it's way easier than when it's cooled down. And as you can see, the skin is coming off so easily. And there you go, this is the aubergine. And let's move on to what we need for the recipe. You need 60 ml of tahini, that equals 5 tablespoons, and 2 cloves of crushed garlic, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. And this is actually 80 ml of yogurt, which equals 5.5, 6 tablespoons. And all I do is add the other ingredients, like the lemon juice, and the tahini. And don't worry guys, everything is actually listed in the description box. And this is the garlic, and mix everything. And it doesn't need to be actually very smooth because we're gonna blend this in the blender. And here I'm adding a little bit of salt, and you can actually taste this, and you are free to add more if you want. And this is our aubergine. Add a little bit of water, don't put too much. If your blender is very strong, you can skip this step. And blend. And this is what it looks like after blending. Next, add the sauce that we made earlier and blend again. And yes, we are done. This is our moutabel. It's actually very soft and creamy, as you can see. And you can transfer the mixture now into a serving dish. And just I'm gonna give it a little bit of shape. I'm not gonna do anything fancy. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything. Add a little bit of parsley on top. And this is actually pomegranate granules. It actually really gives it a nice taste that I really love. And of course, don't forget the olive oil on top, as always. And that's it, you guys. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you very soon. Bye.